Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cheese sea salt cream topping. It's perfect for adding a creamy, salty touch to your favorite drinks and desserts. Let's get started. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need. For 8 servings. 200 grams of cream cheese. 166 grams of milk. 30 grams of condensed milk. 2.5 to 5 grams of rose salt or regular salt. 200 grams of whipping cream. For 4 servings. Just half those amounts. You'll need as follow. 100 grams cream cheese. 83 grams milk. 15 grams condensed milk. 1.25 to 2.5 grams rose salt or regular salt. 100 grams whipping cream. Steps to make. 1. Soften the cream cheese. Start by taking your cream cheese out of the fridge. Let it sit at room temperature until it softens. This will make it easier to mix later. 2. Add the milk. Gradually pour in the milk in a few batches. Mix slowly until the cream cheese and milk are well combined. 3. Make it smooth. Keep mixing until the mixture is smooth and free of lumps. 4. Add condensed milk. Next, add the condensed milk and mix it in well. This will add some sweetness. 5. Season with salt. Now, stir in the rose salt or regular salt. Give it a taste and adjust the salt according to your preference. 6. Strain the mixture. Use a fine mesh strainer to filter the mixture. This will help make it nice and smooth. Set it aside for now. 7. Whip the whipping cream in a clean, dry bowl. Add the whipping cream. Use a mixer to whip it until you see trails and it starts to hold its shape. Be careful not to overwhip. 8. Combine everything. Finally, gently fold the cream cheese mixture into the whipped whipping cream. Mix until everything is well combined. And there you have it. A delicious cheese sea salt cream topping that's perfect for your bubble tea and other drinks. If you're making the smaller version, just remember to have the ingredients. Enjoy this tasty treat, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Welcome to subscribe to our channel. If you would like to order bubble tea and related products, please visit our website at www.AdmirinGazeLand.com.